Welcome to It's Traffic. In today's video, I am going to discuss a common mistake that we make while we are creating a table in MySQL. That mistake is choosing integer for phone number field. Why we cannot use phone number, we'll discuss here. First, let us create a table with phone number field and the data type as integer. So first, let's log into the MySQL server. So let's type the password. Now I'll create a table called employee with a phone number data type. So create, first I have to choose a data type. Let me see what data types are available in my server. So show databases. So I have this database DB21, get data HMS, hospitals MS, etc. I am going to use school. So use school. Now I am going to create a table employee inside the school database. So the first command will be create table employee, and I'll keep just three field: emp id, integer, name, worker, and the size is 20. Again phone as integer, then bracket close, semicolon, and let's hit the enter button. So you see query OK, 0 row affected, means I have not entered any information till the table till now to the table. Let's see the structure of the table. For it we'll write DESC employee. So this is the structure: emp id as integer, name as worker, phone number is integer. Now let's enter data to the table. Insert into employee values, and here we'll write id as 1, name as Ram, and the phone number, suppose I am giving a random number 98640123455. Now bracket close and semicolon. Now it is an Indian mobile number, Reliance number with 10-digit numbers. Let's press the enter button. You can see error, out of range value of for a column phone at row 1. Now why this happened? See here we have 10-digit numbers and the first number is starting with 9. But in an integer we can write only from this number to this number, from -2147483648 till 2147483647. Till that number only we can write in integer. But our number is started with 98. Here it is 21. You can see here also 10-digit numbers only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So when our phone number will be started with 21 like that number, then only we can store that number. If our number is starting with 3 or 4 5 6 7 8 9, then that number cannot be stored in integer. So it's better to choose the data type as character or string. Now another point, when we write international phone numbers, we have to write the country codes also. Like when we are writing a international number, we'll write, suppose for Indian number only, when we will give to a foreign country, and when we are fill up a form of foreign countries, then we have to give the phone number in international form. Like it will be like a +91, then the number 98640123455. So we have to write like this way. So the 3-digit comes extra and this plus sign. That's why we have to always choose the phone number data type as worker or character, or we may say string. Again the international phone numbers or only the local phone number start with that particular number, but when it go to national phone number, suppose you are calling to one Assam phone number from Maharashtra or Bihar, then we have to add a extra 0 like 09864810234. So this way you have to add one extra 0, but in integer before the number we cannot place 0. So to solve these problems we'll always choose string as a data type of phone number. And the next one, a phone number might have spaces in between. You might see some phone numbers look like this, like a plus 91986401235, like this. They have spaces in between. So these things we cannot do in integers, but in string we can easily do it. So it is always better to choose the phone number as string or worker or character, whatever you say. Now another problem, different country uses different digits for phone numbers. Like if you come to in India, all the mobile number have 10 digits, but the same thing for mobile number in Dubai, they are using only 7 digits, and in US also it might have some different number of digits. So each country have different digits. That's why to come over from this problem, it is better to choose the phone number as string. Now let's modify the data field into worker. So we'll use here alter table modify, then phone. Now instead of integer we'll write here worker, and we'll give the sizes 13 plus 91. For country code I am keeping 3 extra places. Alter table modify phone worker, and if we want to keep the phone number in that particular place only, we will not write anything after this. Or we have to write the table name also, alter table employee. employee. So after that semicolon, and enter. Now let's see the structure of the table for the DESC employee. Now the phone number field is worker. Now I am going to enter the same data whatever I have tried before, this one. Now query OK, one row affected. Now let's see what I have entered. Select star from employee. So you can see this record has entered in the table, but this phone number is as here string, not as integer. That's why always remember, while you are creating a table, select the phone number field as string or worker, not as integer. And one more thing, if you have a field which hold only one data like male, female, like gender, or grades like A plus, B plus, C plus, like that, then always you will choose character, because there you know you will enter only 1 or 2 characters only in that field, because character make your table or your query faster than a worker. That's why when you know how many characters you are going to enter in that particular field, you will use character. But if you don't know how many characters you are going to enter, then it's better to choose worker. Like name field, everyone name may contain different number of characters, so it is always better to choose worker for name field. I hope you have understood why we cannot use phone number as a data type for phone field. From next time, while you are creating a table, choose always worker for storing phone numbers. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.